Greetings family, I hope everyone's well. Today I've just received my care package. Care package came from Chris and Sons. So if anyone knows Chris and Sons, they're in the UK. They specialize in hair and beauty products. They have some amazing products. So if you want to know any more about Chris and Sons, the link will be in the description. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe, all that lovely stuff. Let's do it. Okay, let's get it. We have 245 shave gel. Don't know if you can see that there. We've also got some 245 enhancement color and some, what's it called? Bandico aftershave. That's for after when you finish with the client, when you've sorted their beard out, give them a nice fresh feeling. And last but not least, the Eco battery. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna right now try and put this battery in my WAHL magic clip. Okay, so there first of all, and by the way, this is fully charged. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what it sounds like before and after. So as you see right now, this is fully charged. Light should go up in a bit. Come on, come on. There you go. So that's fully charged. Okay, put it up. Sound check. Okay. All we should need for this is a screwdriver and okay, so 245 battery upgrade for WAHL cordless clippers. They promote 50% extra battery. Yeah, so for me as a mobile barber, these clippers, once they're fully charged, for the most part I get about 4 cuts out of them. So if this battery here can let me go through my whole day, do about 8 to 10 cuts, this is definitely a bargain. And also the link for these will be in the description. Okay, so I'm going to put the link for the Eco battery, 245 shave gel and enhancements, and where you can get all other stuff as well. They do have a lot of products. Chris Bossio, 245. Okay, so oh, shoot, dropped it already. Yeah, this is actually, it looks like it's built nice. Yeah, so we look at that. Okay, it's a 3.6 volt, 3350 mAh, 12.06 watts, and it's a lithium ion battery. Okay, so let's try and swap them over. Bit of Phillips head screw. See how easy this is. So, put this one out. Right, so first I've unscrewed these screws here. I've been led to believe that there is actually a screw underneath here, so I'm gonna have a look, see if I can prop this open. Oop. Okay, there's a screw underneath there as well, right up there. Let's take this off. Alright, and then we go. I just found a clip here. Ooh, yes. Finally. I got it off. Okay. There was a little clip here where it pries onto, so next time round just be aware that I think it clips around about here. Okay. Right, so as far as I'm aware, you just pull that cable out. There's actually a cable that goes into a chipboard, and literally, I've had these clippers for probably about, I would say, 4 years or so, for when they first came out. And then you just put this wire straight back into the chipboard, sorry. Yeah, put that back in. Okay, that's in. Matt Gifted Hands, apparently he does a see-through cover. So if you look on Chris and Sons as well, you will see a see-through cover that you can use, so you can show off your Tomb 45 Eco battery. So just gonna put this all back together now. Okay, pull it back together like so. And I will be doing a review on these at a later date to let you know if they are worth the money. They're not expensive. I want to say there was around £18. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Can't remember how much they were, but it was under £20. Under £20. Okay, so straight away, they actually do feel stronger, because I've had these clippers for a few years. And they're always in use. Yeah? So again, I think it's supposed to take much more time to charge. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick this on charge and let you know how this works at a later date. But yeah, family, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and I will get back to you shortly. Peace.